17th pre-competitive skill test. Security forces have killed 3 alleged terrorists and arrested their 3 accomplices after a heavy exchange of fire with them during an operation. Full stop. The 2 climbers got stranded after being injured while 2 others, remained unhurt and were later rescued. Full stop. One of their partners who went missing, has lost his life. Full stop. The 5 climbers had set out on a mission to retrieve the body of their countryman, who went missing on the mountain. Full stop. The owner of the clothing store told Dawn that the recent internet disruptions were crippling online businesses, as everything from order processing to customer communication had been impacted. Full stop. He lamented that influencers and industry bodies have largely been silent on the issue, even as people continue to suffer. Full stop. New paragraph. Down Detector, a website that provides real-time information about internet outages, received an unusually high number of complaints about disruptions in WhatsApp services from Pakistan over the past few weeks. Full stop. In response to a query, a spokesperson for the platform said 20,000 reports were received, with most of them being about issues with sending voice messages, media and downloading on mobile data. Full stop. Yet the government has given no clarity or communicated to the industry as to how long these issues will persist. Full stop. The reference notes that the jewelry set was sold by a franchise to the government for 300,000 euros and earrings for 80,000 euros on May. Full stop. The bureau alleges that the items were not appropriately accounted for by the couple. Full stop. New paragraph. Instead of depositing the required value over into the national treasury, the set was kept illegally. Full stop. The reference further says that during his tenure, Mr. Khan retained 85 out of 108 gifts received from heads of state and other dignitaries. Full stop. National Accountability Bureau has cited witnesses, including senior army officers, to testify against the former premier and his spouse. Full stop. He said, but politicking should be avoided and facts should not be distorted. Full stop. He dismissed accusations of federal discrimination, emphasizing that funds go to the provinces. Full stop. The federal government had to face immense challenges in the form of payments of loans and interests on foreign funded projects that benefited the entire country. Full stop.